Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the electrical power transmission course. Today I am going to explain why line insulators are used in overhead transmission line. Before going to explain its reason, first I am going to define the line insulators. The insulators used to separate the line conductors from each other and from the supporting structures electrically are known as overhead line insulators. The insulators provide necessary insulation between line conductors and supporting poles and towers and thus prevent any leakage current from the conductors to earth. Consider the figure which shows the steel tower. As we know that steel tower itself is a conductor. Furthermore, it carries the conductors too. If these conductors are directly connected with this tower, then a short circuit will occur. Therefore, in order to avoid this short circuit, insulators are used between the conductors and steel towers as shown in the figure. In general, the insulators should have the following desirable properties. Number 1. High mechanical strength in order to withstand conductor load and wind load. Number 2. High electrical resistance of insulator material in order to avoid leakage currents to earth. Number 3. High relative permittivity of insulator material in order that dielectric strength is high. It is necessary so that it can withstand high electrical stresses. The insulators should be able to withstand the overvoltages due to lightning, switching or other causes under severe weather conditions in addition to the normal voltage. Number 4. The insulator material should be non-porous, free from impurities and cracks, otherwise the permittivity will be lowered. Non-porous means it must not get absorb moisture, otherwise its insulation will fail. Number 5. High ratio of puncture strength to flashover. All above properties are not found in a single material. Therefore, while selecting a line support for a particular case, a compromise is made between the cost and the required mechanical properties. The most commonly used material for insulators of overhead line is porcelain, but glass, steatite, synthetic resin and special composition materials are also used to a limited extent. Porcelain is stronger mechanically than glass, gives less trouble from leakage and is less affected by the changes of temperature as shown in the figure. I think it is better here to explain how insulation failure occurs. The electric failure of insulation occurs either by puncture or by flashover. In the case of puncture, the arc passes through the body of the insulator, whereas flashover is caused by an arc discharge between the conductor and earth through air surrounding the insulator. It is either due to line surges or due to the formation of wet conducting layer over the insulator surface. Normally, the insulator is not damaged by a flashover, but it becomes useless after the puncture. Sufficient thickness of material is provided in the insulator to prevent the puncture under surges conditions, whereas flashover are reduced by increasing the resistance to leakage currents. The length of the leakage path is made large by constructing several layers called petticoats or rain shades. They keep the inner surfaces relatively dry in wet weather and thus provide sufficient leakage resistance to prevent a flashover. For satisfactory operation, the flashover should occur before the puncture. Friends, in this lecture I have discussed why line insulators are used in the overhead transmission line. I have discussed about the required properties for overhead line insulators. In the end, I have discussed how insulation failure of overhead line insulators occur. In the next lecture, I will discuss the different types of overhead line insulators with their merits and demerits. That's all for today's lecture. I hope you really enjoyed this lecture. Friends, I upload many videos based on various topics of power system and motivation on regular basis. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe my channel in order not to miss my latest videos. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and class fellows so that they can also get benefit from these videos. Thank you very much.